When hired it to the people who are cleaning it, and then they clean it and keep it clean. But when they are cleaning for getting their earnings, the people who are using that toilet, they have to pay every month 30 rupees, 40 rupees, whatever it is. And if they are not paying that people, then they don't clean it. That is the way.
So you mean to say that from each neighborhood, it depends on the motivation of the people living there to keep the toilet clean?
Yeah, because see what government has invested the money to construct the toilet. Then they have made tenders for that, for the cleaners, who are the cleaner boys and all. For that, the sweepers, they have arranged a quotation. Then the government, they have to pay a particular fund for the government, and then they get the contract of that latrine, and then they stay there themselves, put up themselves in that latrine, and they stay up and they keep the latrine clean and all. So for that, the people who are staying and using that toilet, they have to pay that person every month 30 rupees, 40 rupees. And if they are not paying, then they avoid to clean it up.
Has there been any kind of a training camp for people to understand that how to clean the toilets or how everyone should participate for hygiene and stuff? Has any exercise like that?
No.
कशासाठी माहिती
प्रत्येकाला गावोगावी ते लोक संडास देतात.
Do you know any people who practice open defecation here? Is it just children, or is it also older people?
All the people.
All the people. Okay.
I mean, are there people who are going out and shitting, not using toilets?
So very rare. Now
Okay.
very rare. Very rare. Because now this is a well educated, and we are here, the government has basically made for them toilets and all. So they don't use. Now small children and all, early in the morning, if they don't get the time and all, then they shit somewhere out sitting. That also a particular place chamber is there where they sit, and that has been washed out.
What about water for your place? Do you get water?
There is completely always around the clock the water is there.
Water, there's no problem.
No problem for this. For slum areas, not only in this area, but in every. In slum areas, just as Lakshmi Nagar, as Tariwala Road, as this area, Eroda and all. These people, government has kept them one facility that the water is on the round the clock over there for them. But as you go out of this area, 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, then there are early waters in the morning and all.
The water is clean?
Yeah.
So normally how much money you need to spend for the common toilet per month? Around 20 or 50 rupees? Or?
It is, see for an example, now this total area, there is one common toilet over here, and here there are around about 500 to 600 houses who are staying in this area. So each house, 500 into 5, that is 15,000 people use that common toilet. So now if 500 people are there, from one family you get 40 rupees, so 500 into 40, that is near about 20,000.
Yeah.
This is the calculation what usually there is. But now what is happening? The workers who are working, they are not getting that much of money, and the workers who are staying, they are having their family. So in 4 and 3,000 and 2,000, no can survive himself. So for that, basically government has to give them some facilities, and there is no government is providing them the facilities. That's why the toilets are so good, unhygienic. Got it? That
Complicated.
very complicated. You can't blame someone ki baba you are not cleaning or you are not doing. But there is everyone. See, these people are slum, and they are having their earning on their hands, and they don't have that much money to give every month. When they can't fill up their stomach, how they are going to spend somewhere out 40 rupees for every month?
How much is the maximum what you want to pay? Maximum? Nothing or 10 rupees? Or?
It should be now this one which is you all are giving, that goes to the one family who is working for that. So if in that one family, if there are near about 5 to 7 people, and if he can't get the income of monthly salary near about to 10 to 12,000, then it's of no use because he can't survive his family. So minimum the person who is keeping that place clean and all, he should get every month near about 12,000. So he can run out his family also. If you go for a job, someone is paying he is paying you 2 and 3,000, you are not going to work. Because when you know in your family you require 5 to 8,000 rupees to run after your family, you are not going to work for 2 and 3,000. You will expect for getting the best. You will think you should get 4,000, 8,000, 10,000. You will think for like that. So the same way these people are thinking.
Okay.
So minimum a person man who is working for that, he should at least have at least 5 to 10,000 rupees he should get every month. And that government should make that they should pay those people who are laborers who are working for that. They should be paid for that. They should be given that.
Do you have a wonderful solution for a perfect common toilet? So do you have some ideas for your perfect common toilet for the future?
Yeah, that only I think. See, people, when you all are giving up constructing and giving up such a big toilets and all, that are 2, 3, 4 storages they are constructing. So when you are constructing such a big thing, you are investing a dead amount in that. So that should be kept clean. Any project which you all are investing, government is investing in that particular thing should be hygienic.
Yeah, of course.
First thing. So for that, government has to look out for that. You can't expect these slum people who are they are having very heavy and tough times, they will keep clean. The regular schedule is they have to run out in the morning out for their bread and butter.
Yeah.
So they can't pay you all for
That means the government should pay the money for the cleaner around 12,000 rupees per month.
Yes, and they should, instead of giving them the tender and saying you all do it, keep the toilet clean and get your earnings from the slum peoples, it is better government should provide them some money and government should pay them.
Okay.
And what happens in the monsoon? How is the sewage system? Is it overflowing the drains?
It's worse. It's worse. You can't stand in that. It's stinking.
And is it also flowing on the streets?
Sometimes it is.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you all will step in that.
Okay.
Is that clear? Now, if you have an example, if you go straight from here, take a right turn, again you go straight, you will go on a main road. Now, government has just recently built up that toilet for people who are traveling in bus the vehicles. They should use. They should not do anywhere out. For that, they have built a urinal place over there. If you go and find that condition, you will not go. Boys and girls, there are urinals. You won't step in that.
Yeah.
It's so worst.
I know. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Chika. Because what we want, what we have done, we implemented 35 dry toilet systems. So that